Today we're showing you a 2017 John Deere 5100E tractor. Tractor has just over 1,200 hours. Comes with a 520M quick attach front loader. Has 100 horsepower. Has a 4-cylinder John Deere diesel engine with a turbo. Tractor still has the balance of the factory warranty, which runs into I believe it's May of 2023. Double check the listing on that, obviously. It does have the 73-inch front bucket here, which is in good shape. Has the global style hookup for your bucket connection. Front grill guard. You have a little bit of chips in the front of the hood here. Looks like it got hit with, I don't know, debris of some kind the way it looks. It's not terrible, but it is still noticeable if you look at the tractor closely. Overall, the tractor is nice and clean. It does have the low pro tires on it, the R4 tires, which really lowers the stance of the tractor. Has a canopy top on it. Foldable rollover bar. Has triple rear remotes, which is a really nice feature. Telescopic arms in the 3-point, 540 and 540E PTO. Rear work light. You're looking for a 100 horsepower open station tractor. This one is definitely worth a look. It's a very nice clean tractor. Has the Deluxe seat that swivels left and right. Left-hand power reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. Tilt steering wheel. 540, 540E selectors back here. Then your 12-speed transmission is located beside the seat. 3 ranges, 4 synchronized gears in each range. And then on the control panel here, you've got 3 levers for your rear remotes, draft and position control for your 3-point, and then your hand throttle and PTO all within easy reach. Motor joystick was also very well designed. It's all within easy reach. You've got your armrest right here. Your arm kind of matches up with everything there. It's a really nice design. On the floorboard, you have foot throttle, individual brakes, and differential lock. Arrange shipping, any low rate financing for qualified customers. We can also arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. We have approximately 100 to 150 used tractors on our yard. We stock tractors anywhere from about 20 to 180 horsepower. If you have questions or want to contact us, please do so at massedtractor.com. You can also see our current inventory.